Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make macarons with paper. Begin by gathering sturdy paper, scissors, sandpaper, glue, and food-safe paint or markers for decoration. Cut matching circles with a template, then refine edges with fine grit sandpaper to achieve smooth shells. Use thin layers of glue to stack and shape domes, allowing full drying between layers to prevent warping and preserve shell symmetry for realistic results. Use consistent layering to create uniform domes that mimic real macaron shells, and always allow each glued layer to dry completely before adding the next. Sand carefully to carve the gentle foot, keeping movements light to avoid flattening the dome. Apply paints in thin washes or use powdered pigments for soft color transitions, and seal the surface with a clear matte coat for durability while retaining a realistic, slightly velvety finish that reads well on camera and in hand. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more creative tutorials and stay updated. Quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is a handy helper when paper trimmings and crumbs pile up, featuring voice control for hands-free cleanup and smart mapping to skip delicate projects while you work. It saves time and keeps your workspace tidy. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. For a convincing macaron look, use a thin, consistent filling that contrasts in color and thickness with the shells, and apply it evenly to only one shell before sandwiching. Press gently to avoid squeezing out excess and maintain that delicate gap visible in real macarons. Trim any stray edges and touch up joins with paint to hide seams, then add tiny edible-looking details like painted sprinkles or dusted shimmer for a polished, display-ready result.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.